My video is about removing the browser notifications that come from the website News-davigu.cc. So News-davigu.cc is a junk site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It displays fake human verification alerts. It tries to trick people into clicking on the Allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they're humans and not robots. If people do that by mistake, their browser is hijacked and infected. So people would start receiving the great number of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of the computer screen. You should do something to deactivate these ads, otherwise they will keep attacking your screen from time to time and you'll be pretty much distracted by that. So to deactivate them, go to the menu, Settings. Then you need to choose Privacy and Security. Then Site Settings, go to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this News-davigu.cc, you should remove it from the list, and also don't hesitate to remove other junk sites from the list. Finally, I recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.